Hello, class. My name is Michelle Menjivar, and I will be your instructor for the semester. As you probably know, for the next 3 weeks, we will not be meeting in person. We are going to be doing our class asynchronously. Unfortunately, I did have some emergencies arise, and I couldn't possibly teach class face-to-face for the first 3 weeks. So we are going to be doing it via Zoom not via Zoom, asynchronously for the first 3 weeks. So I quickly wanted to walk you over our Canvas page just to give you an idea what to expect and where to look at when it comes to information and things you want to know. So as you can probably see on the screen, you have our Canvas page. In our Canvas page, you'll pretty much find everything that you need for the semester. At the very top here, you will find our welcome letter. Our welcome letter is the one that I sent out a week ago, just walking you through basically what our class is going to be looking like, like just how we're going to meet asynchronously for the first 3 weeks. And then on February 7th, we'll come back on campus and meet in person. So I walked you through all of that through that welcome letter. But if you, for some reason, lost your copy or you didn't get a chance to read it, you can quickly check it out over here. Right here, we have our class syllabus. Our class syllabus basically has all the information and all the due dates that you need for the semester. It tells you exactly the speeches and all of that we have due. So basically, take a look at our syllabus, read it very carefully because it will have the deadlines of everything that you need to do for this class. I also have a link to my Zoom office hours. Our Zoom office hours are going to be on Fridays from 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. Starting this upcoming Friday, January 20th, I will be available to meet during those office hours. So if any of you have questions in regards to what our class looks like, when we're going to meet again, or any of the sort, come and meet me on Zoom office hours, but make sure that you email me ahead of time, letting me know that you are going to be on Zoom so that I make sure that I make time for all of you. Over here are guidelines for visual aids. Don't worry about that just right now. By the time that we have to use visual aid for our speeches, I will be on campus and I will walk you through it then. Also, our textbook is free, which means that you don't have to purchase it at all. And you can find it right here. It is in a PDF version. So make sure that once you get access to Canvas, download that PDF textbook to your laptop, tablet, etc., so that you have it there to keep up with the readings. You will have reading quizzes. And again, go to the syllabus. Every week it tells you exactly what's the homework for the following week. Make sure that you are keeping along. The first 3 weeks, I will be reminding you by sending you announcements on Canvas. I will be reminding you what are the readings and what are the assignments for that week. And once we get back to our face-to-face in the classroom, I will actually remind you every week after every class what's due for the following class. For this first week, we actually have an assignment due already. It is called an introduction speech. So as you can see, let me pull up the handout. So as you can see, for this speech, you are going to be introducing yourself to the class. I know that ideally in the introduction speech assignment, it says that it should be with a partner, but because again, we are not face-to-face, you don't have to do it with a partner. It's a speech that you do individually in which you're going to be introducing yourself to the class. It is a 1 to 2 minute speech. You're going to be filming this and uploading it onto YouTube, and you're going to provide me with the YouTube link. Now, for those of you who are already wondering, how do I do the whole YouTube thing? Where do I provide you with a link? If you need any help, I have a link here that will walk you through filming a YouTube video. And basically, when you come up with this assignment, it will appear to you just to copy and paste the URL of the video. So make sure that you just provide me with a URL. You can make the video on private and that's fine. This is the only speech that you'll ever have to do online just because we're not meeting for the first 3 weeks. So if you have any questions on how to do that, make sure that you watch this video. Everybody gets 20 points on this speech. It's just for me to get to know you a little bit better and just for me to see how confident of a speaker you are so that I can point out which are things that you have going on for you that are amazing, and so that I can also give you some other suggestions on what to work on for the future. If you have any questions as to what anything looks like, when anything's due or anything like that, send me a message. And like I said, we will not be meeting for the first 3 weeks. We'll be meeting on campus on February 7th. Make sure that you show up to the orientation meeting on January 17th that you will be having with a counselor at College of the Canyons. I already sent you an email reminding you all, just kind of like piggybacking on the email that your counselor sent to you all. I'm so sorry that we couldn't meet face to face for the first day of class, but I'm really excited that I get to work with you the rest of the semester for the 3 major speeches in the class. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. And basically every module for this class is going to be opening on Sunday, starting this week. So once you're done with the introduction speech for this week, the next module for the following week will be opening on Sunday, January 22nd at midnight. And like I said, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And I am very excited to get to meet you all face to face, and I'm excited to hear your speeches. I hope that you all have a great first week. Thank you so much for working with me and just for doing your very best in this class. I will see you on February 7th, face to face.